In the modern world today, living takes on an art form. As technology rises to challenge the limits of human thought, architects and builders have to rise to the challenge of erecting structures that are truly inspiring. Welcome to modernity, creativity, and the endless beauty of a new world that will simply captivate your senses, move you beyond imagination, take you to the future. Today, welcome to Planet Avion Synergies. We are born to build, create intelligent living spaces, energize the world, facilitate governments in their infrastructural developments for building a new face of their countries. As global citizens of dynamic change, construction marvels and limitless possibilities, we use the leadway, which is leadership in energy and environmental design, offering our customers energy-efficient smart buildings, saving huge on cost. Meet our team of globally empowered, experienced and versatile structural, mechanical, electrical, civil, design and lighting engineers. Our architects and planners are from the upper crust. Avion Synergies, your one-stop solution provider, meeting all your construction and infrastructure needs. We are masters of designing, planning, lighting, landscaping, capacity building, mixed-use developments, shoring up manufacturing infrastructure, building schools, universities, colleges and all types of educational institutions with over 125 years of cumulative expertise, experience and reputation. Our projects shine like a jewel in the crown, spread across the world. From sprawling commercial and retail development projects combining luxury, functionality and energy efficiency to healthcare infrastructure, from high-rise structures in collaboration with internationally renowned architects, Avion Synergies brings the whole world of living, trading, studying, relaxing, shopping, swimming, communicating or using energy. We touch your world in every way, every day. We create sports and recreational building facilities, telecommunication and data infrastructural facilities, electricity transmission and distribution infrastructures, and operations and maintenance facilities. Yes, we are Avion Synergies. We are planners, designers and builders of new, refreshing environments that light up the lives of millions worldwide. Program and construction management is our forte. Take advantage of our strategic consulting services, programmed to infuse a new level of excellence, harmony and design into your most demanding projects. Our asset management strategy is created to multiply the security of your constructed infrastructures with that magic touch of our construction genius. As leaders, builders, planners, designers and architects of a new world rising, we at Avion Synergies are born to fire your imagination, this generation and the coming generation. We excel in infrastructure development, financing and procurement, and integrated system planning. We are famous for our resolve and services in policy development, program management advisory, and for providing project financing through innovative financing structures. Step into our world. Feel something truly inspiring. Avion Synergies.